Hi, I'm Andy Shaw from Web User Magazine, and today I'm going to be looking at a new piece of kit from Devolo which will help you increase the Wi-Fi coverage in your house using your electrical circuits. This is the kit. If I just show you, they plug into regular sockets. This one is a Wi-Fi adapter, so that'll create a little hotspot, and this one plugs into your router. Data comes in from your router, goes into your home already existing power supply, comes out at the other end, and this unit creates a little well, Wi-Fi hotspot really. Let's see how it works. Right, the first thing we've got to do is set the equipment up. Here you can see I've got the adapter that's to plug into a router, standard Ethernet cable. The one that comes with this device is 3 meters long. Very long, which is quite useful because it means that you can move the adapter well away from your computer if you've got a lot of cables plugged underneath it. Basically the first thing that you have to do is plug the other end of the Ethernet cable, which I've got here, into your router. So let's just move this around. This is a fairly standard BT internet router. It's got a spare Ethernet socket. So if I just plug the cable in, there we go. I'll call that back up. Phone back on it. Right, now we need to find a spare cable to plug this end, a spare plug to plug this end into. As you can see, the wires under the computer are a bit of a mess really. So luckily we've got a long Ethernet cable here, look, and that'll actually stretch across the room to a spare socket that I've got over here. I do have children, so we put little... that's the wrong one. There we go. Now that is taking the internet connection from my router there, down the Ethernet cable, and out to this device here. You see the lights are starting to go on it. Let's see if we can hook it up downstairs. I'm now in a room at the opposite end of the house. As you can see, I've got a laptop. It's a fairly standard laptop. It's a bit old, it hasn't got built-in Wi-Fi, so I'm going to use this Wi-Fi adapter to plug in. You can't even get to the USB plugs on it, it's so rubbish a thing, so without anything bigger than a wire. So I'm just going to use a standard Wi-Fi adapter. We're going to hook into the standard Wi-Fi network first, have a look, see how that is, and then we're going to plug this into the main supply and see if we get a better signal. So let's give it a go. Get the Wi-Fi adapter. And let's just pop that into the back there. There you go. Power comes on, light lights up. Hopefully Windows is there we go. Is finding the adapter. Okay, so what we'll start off by doing is we'll just do a quick site survey, see what we've got in terms of local connections. Okay, now this is actually my connection here. In fact, it looks like I'm getting a better signal here than I'd be getting a better signal if I was using my next door neighbour's network, but there you go. And there, as you can see down here, we've got signal strength, well, fair to good. It's changing all the time. So what I'm going to do, just to test have a look at the speed of this. Remember, this is from my BT router upstairs. We're not doing anything special here. See if I can find my way onto a network. Here we go. There's a few files. See if I've got anything in here. Okay, some pictures. Is there anything in there? Right, okay. In this sample pictures folder, there is about 4.5 megabytes worth of pictures. So let's quickly do a copy on that. And what we'll do is we'll paste it onto the desktop. And I'm going to time it to see how long it takes. See my stopwatch here. I reckon it's going to take at least 3 minutes on this window here. Look, let's see, about halfway there now, and it's at 40 seconds. There's the 1 minute mark, nearly there. 1 minute 21, 22. There you go. That was near enough. 1 minute 26. So let's try plugging this into the wall. Now my nearest socket is actually behind the sofa here, which, you know, probably isn't ideal, but it's not the end of the world. Let's just take that out. I'll show you what I'm doing. Here we go, look, standard wall socket. I've unplugged the phone, so that might start beeping at me, but never mind. And there you go, it plugs in. Turn the power on. Watch the lights start going. It's got power. So there's the plug in action. Let's go back to the computer. Right, now, if we do another site survey, we should see the new network pop up. There it is. It's this one. Now you can see already. If we let's try and click onto that. Already down here, we're getting a better signal from this. Obviously, the Wi-Fi device is in the same room, so the signal is going to be better. The question is whether it can download that sample pictures file any quicker. So let's just delete this for a second. Move back there, click copy again. Let's reset the clock just to remind you it was 1:26. So let's click on the desktop, paste and start the clock again. Now already we can see that it's going to be quicker. It's down to 30 seconds remaining already on the estimate. It's looking like it's going to be about 23 seconds. And there you go. Works like an absolute dream. If you've got any issues with Wi-Fi signals in your home, you don't have to convert your whole network to Homeplug type systems like that if you don't want to, if you haven't got enough sockets around the house. But what you can do is use one of them, a kit like this from Devolo, which costs about £140, so it's quite expensive, but you know, it's a lot cheaper than changing over all of your network from Wi-Fi to something else. Yeah, so plug it into the wall at your router, plug it into your wall at the where you want your extension to your Wi-Fi to be, and it sets up a separate little hotspot for you. Fantastic. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that, check out the magazine available in the UK from all good newsagents, or check out the website at www.webuser.co.uk, and we'll have more videos coming up soon. Thank you. Bye bye.